She will not hurt you.
It's okay. Here.
Daddy's here. Daddy's here. Daddy's here. Hey guys, magandang araw po sa inyo. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome po ulit dito sa aking YouTube channel. Ngayong araw po mga idol, papunta po kami ng hospital ng anak ko, ng misis ko, para po sa operasyon niya ng anak ko mga idol. So nangyari po sa anak namin mga idol, medyo napabayaan namin yung ngipin niya. So kasalanan namin mag-asawa mga idol kasi hinayaan namin siya magtsupon. So doon po mga idol nasira yung kanyang ngipin. So alam niyo na mga idol, dito sa Canada napaka-expensive ng bayarin sa mga ganitong sitwasyon dito sa Canada mga idol. So medyo malungkot tayo kasi naawa rin ako sa anak ko kasi bata pa lang makakaranas na siya ng ganitong surgery. So siguro may tatanggalin ng ngipin and then the other naman i-repair lang. Sana po successful yung kanyang surgery ngayong araw na to. I pray to God na gabayan kami mga idol. And then samahan nyo kami mga idol sa araw na to. At maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo sa aming mga video. Ayan nga po, alis na kami kasi maaga po yung kanyang operation today. So guys, yung schedule ng anak namin, 10 AM yung surgery time, pero dapat 8 nandun na kami kasi kailangan niya pang i-check up. Po magda-drive na po muna ako kasi 37 minutes din po yung layo ng hospital dito sa namin, sa city namin.
Hi baby. Why? You're sleeping already? How are you guys?
Are you guys?
Where are you going?
Doctor.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you guys?
How are you guys?
Where are you going today again?
A doctor.
Hi guys, so nandito na kami guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Zone B. Yeah, we're fine. Yeah.
Zombie.
Yeah. We walk now. You wanna walk?
Right here. Probably Windows 2 or 3, there should be somebody there.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yep.
For surgery today at 10 a.m. Okay. Sorry.
Put my water here.
Yeah, you can put your water today. But don't forget, okay?
We're doing surgical registration.
Surgical registration. Let's go, baby. Which way? Which way?
Are you here for surgery?
Yes.
Oh, and then you wait in room A till your number comes up.
Room 8?
A.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You might break my heart tomorrow.
My water.
Ngayon po ay nandito na po kami ngayon sa ano,
What
sa
did you got this?
surgical waiting room. So, may number na rin kami.
That's yours.
That's 84, right?
Yeah.
Number. That's your number.
Like your smile. So let's keep those tears away for a while.
There.
Yeah.
Tonight's alright.
Wait.
Be
Pag-open the
tomorrow's
flashlight.
wrong,
Oh. You see?
but I keep you
Oh, ilawan mo, babe.
in a song.
Move up, baby.
You might break.
Ooh, your teeth. Just like that. So, yung anak ko po, nandun na po sa loob. Nasa, ano na siya, operating room. Sana maayos naman yung kalagayan niya. Hindi, parang di ako mapalagay. So, kasama niya yung mami niya. So, yung starting ng ano niya, ng operation niya or surgery niya is 10 a.m. So, alam siya,
It's alright.
magti-10-10 na. So, ongoing na yung kanyang operation.
It's alright.
So, ako lang nandito sa ano, sa labas. So, isa lang kasi yung ano allowed na pwedeng sumama sa kanya. Maigpit dito sa ano maigpit yung policy nila. Hey guys, so mag-alas 11 na po, quarter to 11 na nandun pa sila. Wala pa sa akin text message kung ano nangyari o tapos na. So alas 10, maybe another 30 minutes or 1 hour. I don't know. So nandito na siya guys. Nasa ano siya, operating room na. 19395.
Yeah, you gotta leave this
So,
bracelet.
19395.
No, it's okay. Just gonna come around and do it. You're gonna get a bracelet on your tab. There you go.
Ando na siya, nag-start na yung surgery niya. Sana matapos agad. 2 hours na. Kasi ano siya 10:50. So ngayon ano na 12:50. Ano, yeah. So 2 hours na siya. Pero tapos na yung operation. Yung surgery tapos na. So hinintay lang namin gumising. So nandito yung misis ko kasi hindi siya pwedeng pumasok doon sa operating area. Sana makalabas na siya. Gumising na. Tagal din. More than 2 hours na siya. Siguro tulog pa rin. Grabe. Inom kami dito. Sana nandiyan na. Wala pa rin. Di pa rin kami tinatawag. So tatawagin kami guys pag gising na siya.
Kaya po namin dito muna kami sa pre-operating waiting.
Kaya na pa ako dito pabalik-balik. Katagal talaga. Katagal. Look, Spider-Man like, later we're gonna eat so many food. I'm gonna buy a soup, right? You like soup and ice cream? You like ice cream? So guys, nandito ako guys. Kasama ko siya pero naka ano pa siya Kagigising lang niya guys. Kagigising lang. Are you cold? You're cold? You're not cold, right? Not cold. Can I kiss you? Kiss, daddy? Kiss. Ay, a popsicle. There you go.
There you go.
Heal my brain.
Yummy.
Heal my brain. Oh.
So good. That's the yellow one. Yeah, I like green, blue, red, like rainbow. You like rainbow, right? How's that taste? Good? Ooh. See the stickers? Wow, there's a lion, a tiger, elephant. What's the other one? That's a panda, right? And on the bottom, what's that? A giraffe. And the other one? The last one? It's a zebra. It's a zebra, right? Oh. She's crying, eating popsicle. Eating popsicle.
I see your ear.
Your ear, baby. Let me see your ear. Just the ear, baby. They will just check the ear.
I know.
It's alright, baby. No. It's just the temperature, baby.
you wanna
It will not hurt you. She will not hurt you.
It's okay. Yeah.
Daddy's here. Daddy's here. Daddy's here. I will hug you. I will hug you, baby. Daddy will hug you. Daddy will hug you.
Do you want to see that? Here, I can just set it here. She can just play with it. It's, yeah.
See? It's just a toy. It looks like a toy. It looks like a toy. See? Little princess. So there's a little princess. So it's blinking, right? You wanna see your face? There you go. See your face? Ayo. This is my baby Dana eating popsicle. Oh, he's eating popsicle, guys. He's eating popsicle, a yellow popsicle. Yummy, yummy. Can I take some? No. How about daddy? Daddy wants also popsicle.
Hello.
Yeah, it's yellow, yeah.
What?
No, no. I want red. I like red. Yeah.
Whoopsie.
See? Yeah. I'm behind.
She's like immediately.
Oh. I'm here. I'm here.
They'll be right behind us, okay?
I'm here. Not gonna leave you.
For this one? No. Okay. There we go. Okay, you feel better, okay? Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much.
You just have to do nothing. You don't have to do anything. This just goes, you gotta stay still though. Can you stay still for me?
Stay still, baby.
There, this just goes on your arm. Can this go on your arm?
Can I hold this one, baby?
It's just gonna give your arm a hug, okay? Can I give you a tight hug? If you stay really still, it will go really fast. You can hold the popsicle. You hold the popsicle.
Dad, I have the chair here.
Okay, thank you.
It's just gonna give you a tight hug. That's all. And it's gonna get looser.
No, no,
gonna
it's
get
fine.
looser.
It's fine,
okay.
baby. It's enough. It's fine.
Yeah, good job. You're doing so good. Good. Yeah, eat the popsicle. And guess what? Once you're done, maybe you could have another one. Do you want another popsicle afterwards?
You want another one? You want another one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, wait, baby.
Wait, baby.
They were gonna remove it for you.
Yeah. Still, palabas lang. Ano ko labas ako may yung babae niya, may prescription. Kaya doon sa bata, wala naman. You want me to open? Yeah, we can open. Yeah. I'm good now, guys.
Good.
Yeah.
You need to put your slippers on, baby.
Wait.
Ready? Here, you walk a
Yeah, I'm
couple
gonna give you, mommy,
walk
gonna
a
give you.
couple, yeah, walk a couple steps for me just to make sure you're pretty good.
Okay,
There.
here's
Awesome. You're awesome. Dad can carry you out. Yep, you're good. You can carry her though.
okay.
If you're okay with that. Yeah.
And
Thank you.
You know where to go?
no.
Okay. I'll show you. Are you in the garage or
Oh,
Yes, we're in the
in the garage? If you just follow this out, it's like a backwards. You just follow it out this way, and it'll take you right into that hallway that goes straight to the garage.
Okay.
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 Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Ay nga guys, tapos na yung niya, uwi na kami. So natapos din sa wakas, natapos na rin. Palabas na kami. Hey guys, sa wakas guys, natapos din yung surgery ng anak ko. So inabot kami ng bali, ilang oras na tayo? Anong oras na ngayon? 2:30. So nandito kami kanina alas 8, 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So almost 6 hours na kami dito guys. So yun, pero natapos na talaga yung pinunta namin dito. So yung ngipin ng anak namin na-opera na. So yung iba tinakpan, yung isa may tinanggal na isang ngipin. So yun yung nakatagal. So okay naman yung lagay ng anak namin. So hanggang dito na lang po ang aming video. Maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo sa aming video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a good day.